Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of FangLeon T. I turn 460U. Another Leon. Let's see what he can do with it this bay. Okay, there we go. Yep. Hopefully I can get the rest of this. And I still need to get the rest of Wave 6. I have one more Wave 6 bay, box to get. Plus the crossover stuff. But it's been really slow for us in my area to get these guys. But besides that, it's nice to have these in my collection. There we go. This chunky beast of a layer. Then I'm turn. And Leon. There we go with the big guys. There we go. There we go, the 460. And the cool purple Unite driver. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and goodbye.